slightly awkward story. All the clips from the intro of this this video corrupted. You guys missed the unboxing of the exhaust? No, just sad times. So anyway, you've got me here to commentate. And it's pretty simple. Cindy, the Citroen, exhaust off, exhaust on, boom. Enough said. Here is how it sounds with the stock exhaust. And here is our last drive ever with the stock exhaust. Enjoy the fucking video, you dickheads. Oh shit.
Jesus Christ.
Go on, lad!
I just spilled my own chocolate all down me!
Downshift, you don't even hear it. Downshift, you don't even hear it. Through the tunnel.
Oh!
Oh! Third gear ready? The second gear.
We're not gonna...
Now, if you guys are in the used car market, I've got to quickly tell you about an amazing offer that will definitely interest you guys. Black Friday is finally here with CarVertical. Did you know that 1 in 2 cars for sale is actually damaged? Another 1 in 6 cars have had their mileage tampered with, and only 1 out of 3 cars is worth your attention. This Black Friday is the time to get yourself a 3-pack deal with CarVertical. Now guys, this is such an amazing offer and it ends on November 30th, so link in the description right now. CarVertical is one of the most powerful tools when shopping for used cars. It literally tells you everything from if your car has had its mileage tampered with, if it's ever been used as a taxi, if it has ever been stolen, if it has ever been damaged. It also gives you other information such as MOT history. And for Cindy the Citroen over there, I've actually bought her some new brake discs because in one of the MOT advisories, it's starting to get a bit warped. So I know when I bought Chloe's car, it might potentially need new brake discs, and it's starting to squeal now, so I can definitely tell you that's a fact. So anyway guys, like I said, click the link in the description to get your 3-car report today. Anyway, let's get back to the video. You can tell I'm abusive because she flinches every time I go near her. So Chloe, should we go into the car?
No.
Anyway, so what is this, Chloe, right here?
I need a pillow, my head hurts.
Shut up, man, what's this?
Back box.
Yeah, or I don't know the technical term, but it's the muffler, that's what it's called.
Muffler.
An exhaust hanger. There's an exhaust hanger here as well. Can you see the clamp or?
Oh, here.
Yeah, there's a clamp. There you go. That's what we need to take off. Now then, here is actually a little quiz for you guys and girls at home to take part in. Is this clamp going to be a pain in the ass to take off? Yes or no? Will it be able to come off with this ratchet very easily or not? Will I have to saw it off? Get your guesses in now. Hover over the yes or no and click. Or is it going to be? Yes. It's going to be a pain in the ass. Right then, summary. We're going to have to chop it off. Yay, there you go. It's off. We just need to cut it that little bit more. What is this hairstyle? Jeez, look at this, I'm like Elvis Presley. We just need to cut it a tiny bit more and then it will become loose. And we can finally get this exhaust installed. It's been like 2 hours or something. It takes a lot of work with a little saw like this. Oh man, look at that. I've got a big daddy one, but it doesn't fit. So sometimes smaller is better. And that's why Chloe's with me. Boom, buddy. Clamp is there. That's the like connector thing, it just slides in. Right guys, we're actually gonna have to call it a day for the Citroen C1 because basically it's either the exhaust is welded on where the 2 pipes connect, which is up there, or it is like rust welded on where it's like the rust has literally just completely bonded the 2 together. So I have to order an angle grinder so that I can just cut it off easily because this is just, it's going to take too long with a handheld one. And you're not even here tomorrow.
I'm going shopping with my mum.
So I have to install it all myself. Which is basically how it works, but...
Well, that's not my fault, you should have sorted it today. You're kidding. been good, ain't you?
Now then, in the next clip, you'll actually see me use this tool right here. And I just want to tell you guys about it because, obviously, if you're doing work to your car, you might want to know about this. So basically, I did say I was going to order an angle grinder, but they do scare me because the blades actually have a tendency to fly off at your fucking face if you're not experienced with them, which I'm not. So I actually ordered this like manual exhaust pipe cutter, and pretty much it's got little blades on. And then basically, you tighten it by squeezing it together, and you just work it like this, like a seesaw. Keep tightening it, and eventually the pipe will cut. Right, so I'm making progress with this thing. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can, but it looks like it's welded together like here. Pretty much I've like cut down most of the metal now. So just a little bit more to go, and then hopefully it'll just break free. This is the SCIROCCO was easier than this, 100%. Obviously because it's newer, the course was easier than this. This is ridiculously hard. This is so much effort. Fuck's sake. I can't work on the blue SCIROCCO because it's too modern and it's too high technology for a beginner like me. But this Citroen C1, the rust is fighting against me. We will get it. 100%. Oh, baby. It's coming. Oh. It's coming. I don't care. Oh my god, it's out. It's out. It's out. Oh, it's out. It's fine. Oh my god, it's out. Oh my god, I can probably pull it out now. Hold on. Oh, creamy. That's what's happening in my pants right now. Hold on. We got it! You son of a bitch. The exhaust is just hanging now, but we're gonna give it a start now while it's like straight piped. That's fucking loud. That sounds good. That's not no Citroen C1 anymore. Pretty much, let's go get the new exhaust. Oh, look at that bad boy. And here is the new exhaust. So obviously the stock exhaust pipes didn't actually come out, so you couldn't see them behind the car. These ones actually have center tips, so they'll come out the middle of the car, and I think this will look so sexy on the Citroen. Obviously, the side ones are boring, like my one. Center ones, like a Lamborghini, are sick. These look beautiful, and they're in like this matte black. Obviously you can't see that, but £120 it cost me. Right then, so just gonna connect these two pipes up. I'm gonna use a little bit of exhaust sealant. I'm gonna quickly get off all the rust here, just so it has a nice clean connection, you know what I'm saying? Look at my organising skills. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. That fucking peanut butter. Pretty much everything is now tightened up. and it's as tight as it's gonna get. Look at that. Everything is tightened up with exhaust sealant and everything. And yeah, there's the back box. I really wonder what this is gonna sound like because like, obviously when you turned it on with nothing, it was loud. I hope it's not that loud because obviously this is a learner car. This is Chloe's. I don't think she'll like it that loud, but yeah, it's all on now. I love doing these videos. Like I've done 3 exhaust videos now and I fucking love it. That's it. All right, I'm really hoping it's not too loud. There's still a clamp on it. Hold on. This clamp here was still stuck. That was why it was rattling. Anyway. It's a nice, bassy, sporty. I'm trying to think of more adjective to describe it, but what? It's popping. It's popping. It's fucking popping, mate. That's beautiful. Oh my god, that is beautiful. Idea is, because it gets loud in here anyway, I'm gonna do a video modding this car out again with loads of shit, and we're gonna put noise cancellation in this car, especially in the back. Oh! It's got little pops! Hold on, let's downshift. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's popping! Oh my god, it's got a stage 1 pop tune on, fam. Get over it. Oh my god, it's brutal, but the thing is you don't move at all. It feels like you're going about 200 miles per hour when you're putting your foot down, but literally, fam, I didn't even hit 30 to like it. Listen, now you can hear the downshift. Oh! That's gorgeous. Right, it is actually time to pick Chloe up from the train station. She's coming back in like half an hour or something, but pretty much she doesn't actually know that this exhaust is off because literally I was having so much trouble that I just messaged her and I pranked her like look at this, guys. I said exhaust didn't come off, I'm gonna take it to a mechanic tomorrow. The old one's back on for now, but pretty much I'm gonna turn up to this train station. I'm just gonna come around the corner. Let's see what she thinks, because honestly I have no clue whether she's gonna like it or not. Look at that. Hello, hello.
I was going, he's lying about the exhaust, he's put it on.
Yeah, I know.
I go, that's why he's bought my car.
It sounds sick.
It did sound nice, I could hear it.
You can hear it?
You'll have to show us in a minute.
It's loud. There's no noise cancellation in it, so you can hear it.
You did get it on,
yeah.
So it did cut the thing.
Yeah. It took like hours. It's nice though. It's not too loud.
No, it's not too much.
And I think personally, because your car's like bare metal, so it's not noise cancellating like mine.
Yeah, but I wonder what it sounds like on the outside. I need to see. Do you like it coming out the middle?
Yeah, I like it. We're gonna do a little bit of an exhaust feel. It's in a day now.
Yeah, yesterday I was like tired and I just got back from being out with my mum all day.
but then like you don't go anywhere. Is it right, is it? He's popping! Can you hear it, Chloe? Do you like that? That noise? I quite like it. I really like it. Because people pay good money to have their car pop. And you also just do it like that.
Mine's just stopped, bitch.
Can you hear you? So that is the exhaust all installed. I can't even lie. When you're driving it, it feels like you're in a baked bean can strapped to a vibrator. It is so loud on the inside. Let us know what you think of the sound and the look of the pipes. Rate me out of 10. I actually picked the centre pipes and I really like them. Chloe, I don't think she likes them. I don't think she likes them.
I like them.
You like them?
I like them. They're slightly strange, but I like them.
Right then guys, so that is the exhaust all installed. Chloe, how do you feel? We've been driving around with it for, how do you like it?
I like
Or
it.
do you like it? Dead serious, 100%, I don't care.
No, I like it. I'm still not 1,000% sure on
The positioning.
side.
I really like it.
I don't.
I told Chloe this, it looks like a spaceship. It looks like it's about to blast off.
I mean, it's fine. I'm not like, oh my god, I hate it.
But
It's just so different. I think that I'm not really too sure how. I feel
yeah, because
about it.
usually they're like on the side or that side. I really like that. I think it's like really,
I'm not that bothered.
it suits the Citroen, I think. Yeah, let us know what you guys think about that. Because obviously if we put it on the side, usually there's like a little cutout, so it wouldn't even look that natural. Chloe has actually just started a channel. She's done a podcast with me, so if anybody wants to know.
I did a vlog.
Yeah,
We're gonna. So when we do the modifications on my car,
I'm going to do a part
we're
2
gonna
on
do
your
2
channel.
parts. So one's on my channel, one's on my channel.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, so subscribe here, link in the description. So that's unfortunately the end of today's video. Yeah, that's it.
And we'll see you in our next video.